Today I'm gonna talk about the Ring Video Doorbell. I have the version 2 here. Let's talk about installation and setup. I have everything here out of the box, the video doorbell and the tools that I need. As you can see here, there are some screws, a drill bit, anchors, a leveler for installation, also a cable to charge the device. Here in the back, I can use this connector and charge the device. When I charge it lasts for 3 to 6 months. And then you also have a sticker protected by Ring, and also the screwdriver that you can use here to fix this plate on a wall. So basically you're gonna fix the plate on a wall. Let me just remove here so you can see it. You have the plate, and then you use the screws, put on a wall, and then you come with a doorbell like this, and you put it in place. Then you're gonna use those screws here to place it here so people can't remove it from the wall. At least it will become more difficult to remove from the wall. Okay, so using a cell phone, you're gonna need to read the QR code here for the setup. So let's do that now. So basically here I have the Ring app. So I open the app, I need to create an account. I already have mine. It's pretty easy. You just need to use your email, your address and things like that when it asks you to, and then you input the information and you create your account. After you create your account, you're gonna just follow the instructions here. So basically what you do is you come here, you bring this again, and then here you're gonna press this button to start the process.
Say hello to Ring. Follow the instructions in the Ring app to continue.
So here we go. Let me just come back here to the dashboard and add the Ring product and ask me to read the scan code. Not me, but my camera, right? So let me just do that right now. And here we go. You got all my information because I already have an account created, and then click here continue and keep doing. Read the information, got it. Set up device, I have read information, I have the secured screws. Here we go. Let's give it a name, front door, and then ask to press and release the orange button again.
Your Ring device is in setup mode. Follow the instructions in the Ring app to continue.
Okay, let's do that, continue. Now it's Wi-Fi setup.
The Ring app is now connected to your Ring device.
Okay, here just connected to my Wi-Fi because I did the configuration before. If it's the first time you're doing that, you just need to input your Wi-Fi password. And then you hit yes here.
Your Ring device is now connecting to your Wi-Fi network. This might take a moment. Setup was successful. With Ring, you're always home.
Okay, everything's working now. I just click here, got it, and it's working. The setup is complete. Continue. It's going to update if necessary, if there is a new firmware. I'm gonna skip that part. And here you go. You have everything working here. And here you go. It's working, detecting motion and everything else. And the next step is the installation. Okay guys, I'm here in front of my door. As you can see, I have the video doorbell here, where there is a peephole, because I realized that if I install 4 feet from the ground, it will be around here, and that's not high enough. So I think this will be 4 feet for homes. For apartment is different, because here there's a hallway, and people don't come towards the camera. They come here from the hallway. Okay, and I'm testing here. It's not final installation yet. I just put it there to test it out, but I think it will be better there. Okay, so I have the Ring video doorbell ready, and here I have the app. Let me just open it up, and here you see the interface is very easy to use. I just click here and I can see the interface. There's a timeline here about what's going on, and I can go live. It activates live. You see, it start recording in the cloud. Here I have the name of the camera. It's recording right now, and then I can see on the timeline. As you can see, I was watching live, and it's everything recorded here. It was just some tests, and then here I have some motion. People passing there on the hallway, and here more live motion again. More motion, a test I was doing before, and on green I can see the ring. My daughter was testing it. It rings, I can answer, I can see people, I can hear people. Pretty easy to use, okay? So it's pretty good, pretty easy. Okay, and then there's a lot of features if you come here to settings. As you can see, there's ring alerts, motion detection, motion alerts. You can come here to history, and you see events. Let's say live view. You can see rings, motion, and everything else. Pretty easy to use. Here, the mode settings, disarm at home always. You can change the mode settings here. You can snooze for 30 minutes, 2 hours, 4 hours. Pretty useful. Chime if you want to link your chime. I'm not buying one. Okay. What else here? Smart alerts. You have device health. You can check the battery and everything else. Here, motion settings is pretty good. You can set different areas, 3 areas for motion. Here on apartments, not that good, but if you're using at home, would be better. Sensitivity, people only mode. You can detect only people if you want to, and some advanced settings here. Advanced and motion detection is pretty good. It's a kind of smart detection. The device settings, you have a lot of them. Video settings, snapshot, alerts, privacy, and everything else. Okay, so pretty easy to understand. And you can also look for the content for help, some videos explaining everything about the device. You can share with different users. You can just click here and write the people's email here and share this camera. And of course, if you want to add more accessories, you can do it too, right? You can link to the device. It works with Alexa, was testing before, so it's pretty easy to use. Somebody is at my door, Alexa can warn me that somebody's there, and I can see it then, I can talk to them. It's pretty easy, okay? So guys, I'm going to use this on my apartment, but in fact I'm thinking about to replace it for the peephole camera. Ring also sell peephole camera, so I'll leave the link here in the description. If you live in an apartment, I think it's better this than this one, but if you live at home, the video doorbell is good. Okay, I'll leave the link here in the description for both, and you can buy yours, you can test, and I think that's it. So thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, leave your thumbs up and your comments. See you in the next video.